Hello and welcome. I've driven out about 40 miles from the house today. I went to a camera shop and didn't spend too much money, which I'm quite pleased about. Just bought this little tripod which I've got the vlogging camera mounted on. £39, very good value, and it does get high enough that I can actually be on the same level as the camera is. So I'm going to try and remember to look at the camera, because you're supposed to do that. And what we're doing here is we've got a nice view out over the I think that's East Grinstead in the distance from the top of Ashdown Forrest here. So let me talk you into the next picture. Okay, I've got the camera set up on the tripod. I've framed it. There's a nice wooden bench just in front of the tree here to my left. There's the tree arching over the top, which is framing the picture nicely, and then into the distance we've got some nice rolling hills of Ashdown Forest, and we've got in the distance, I think that's the North Downs in the far distance over there. The sky's clearing quite nicely, so I'm hoping we might actually get a half decent picture out of this. So let's see where we go. 1/800th of a second at f8s. I think ISO can do with being wound down to something more sensible for this purpose. 50 should do. f8. I'll have f11 because we need a decent depth of field here, and I'm focused on the little chair that's down here. So 1/30th of a second, f11, and correction set to 0. Let's have a look, and we'll take a bright frame as well just to make sure I've got enough dynamic range in the image. So we'll take a much brighter frame here. That's that done. Let's have a look to see. Yeah, I think I'll be able to exposure blend those together quite well. Okay, so that's the picture from here. It's only a very brief video, this one. It's just a snatch at the side of the road because the car park's literally just behind the camera where you are. So I'll wind that up here and I'll put that online later, and you can have a look at see what the image looks like. Hello again. I'm back from the trip to Ashdown Forest. We got back about an hour ago. I just spent the last 45-50 minutes putting together the video that you've just watched. Basically, I'm quite happy with the image. It's nothing stunning, but it's not an unpleasant image. I'm very pleased that it's come out the way it came out. I could have probably framed it slightly better, but I had the dogs and my wife in the car, so I didn't have as long to set the video up as I would have hoped to, or at least the video and also the image. I would have separated the trees on the right from the overhanging branches if I'd have spent a bit longer at it, but it's not too shabby an image. I think it's quite a pleasant picture. It's had a fair bit of processing. I've pulled the detail in the sky out in the image quite a lot. Lightroom helped, but I also did a bit of dodging and burning to sort of emphasize the clouds in the sky, and also put a tiny vignette on it just to sort of pull the focus into the center of the image to make the actual distant scenery look take a more important role in the image. Anyway, I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you again in the near future. If you like the video, please press the click button, or sorry, the like button, and if you want to be kept aware of when new videos come out, select the actual bell symbol, and it will then notify you when I